my dear grade 7 students. So, let's continue our discussion during our first day. Okay, so today, I will tackle the coverage for day 2 to day 3. So, in this video, we are expected to familiarize ourselves about the union, intersection, cardinality, complement of a set, and difference of two sets. Okay, so let's take it one by one. Let's start with the union. Union of sets, the symbol for union of set is this. It's like letter U, capital letter U. It is denoted by A union B. Okay, this is one operations of set, union. What are we going to do if the operation is union? Combine the elements of the two sets. You are just combining the two elements. You are just combining the elements of two sets. But there is no repetition of element. It should be written once only. Okay? So, to understand well, let us have an example. We have the box here. It is denoted by the universal set, the overall. Inside the universal set, as you can see, we have two circles. The first circle, this one, is set A, and the second circle is set B. All elements inside the circle of set A are its element. This one, we have the elements of set A are 2, 6, 11, 4, 14, and 20. While set B, we have 4, 14, 20, 5, 7, 23, 21. Okay, I'll repeat ha. All the elements inside the circle A are elements of set A. And all the elements inside the circle of B are the elements of set B. Okay, let's proceed to question number 1. What are the elements found in A union B? This one. So, solution. If you're going to write the solution, we have A union B. First, as you notice, I list down or I copied all the elements of A here. This one, inside the circle. Then, union, the symbol, B. All the elements of B. I just copied all the elements of B inside the circle. This one. A union B. After copying all the elements of A and union B, you are just going to combine all the elements. In Filipino, pagsasamahin mo lang. But, as you notice, in set A, we have element 4 here. At the same time, we have 4 also in set B. Going back to our definition, it says here that there is no repetition of element. In Filipino, bawal maulit yung element. Although may 4 dito sa set A at may 4 dito sa set B, pag pinagsama mo yan, dapat isang beses mo lang isusulat si 4, si 14, and si 20. Okay? That is how to solve union of sets. I'll repeat. Union of set, combine all the elements. Pagsasamahin mo lang yung elements. Then, enclose mo by brackets. Ito yung brackets natin. And ito yung sa dulo. Okay? Next, second question. What is the cardinality of A and B? What is the cardinality of the union of A and B? When we say cardinality, this is the definition of cardinality, number of elements in a set. This is our answer. Cardinality of A union B. you are just going to count how many elements are there in your answer. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Therefore, our answer here is 10. I'll repeat ha. When we say cardinality, you are just going to count how many elements are there in A union B. Let us have another example. Number 3. What is the cardinality of set A? Set A. Go to set A, this one, here inside the circle. You are just going to count how many numbers are there inside the circle. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the cardinality of set A is 6. Okay? Next. Number 4. What is the cardinality of set B? So let's proceed to set B, this one. You are just going to count how many elements. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, answer, cardinality of B is equal to 7. Okay? I'll repeat ha, from the top. When we say union, combine. That is our clue. Combine, union. Pagsamahin. But, no repetitions of elements. Okay? Cardinality, you are just going to count how many elements. Bibilangin mo lang kung ilan yung tinutukoy niya. Let's say, for example, in number 2, sabi niya dito, ilan ang elements sa A union B. So, this is our answer. Binilang natin yan and there are 10 elements. In number 3, what is the cardinality of set A? So, we will go to set A only, kasi yun yung nasa tanong. Count mo lang lahat ng elements, and the answer is 6. Same is true with set B. Okay? Cardinality, count the number of elements. Okay? Next, we have intersection of sets. The symbol for intersection is this one. Inverted letter U. Baliktad na letter U. Ito. Denoted by A intersection B. How do we perform intersection? Set of all elements common to both sets A and B. Meaning to say, kung ano yung meron sa A na meron din sa B. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng intersection of sets. Ano yung elements na nandoon kay A at the same time nandoon din kay B. Ayan, like here, example number 1. What are the elements found in A intersection B? So we have our solution. A intersection B equals. So again, kinopya ko lang muna lahat ng elements ni A. Ito. And intersection na symbol, kinopy ko ulit yung elements ni B. Then kinompare ko, ano yung meron dito na meron din sa kabila. Okay, yun ay si 4. Ayun, parehong may 4. Ayan, sulat natin, parehong may 14. Meron ding 14 sa kabila. Ito. And 20. May 20 dito, meron ding 20 doon. So, yun ang sagot. 4, 14, and 20. Okay? Number 2. What is the cardinality of the intersection of A and B? Again, cardinality. When we say cardinality, count how many elements. Ang ika-count mo yung intersection ng A and B, which is in number 1. Ilan ang elements dito? We have 3. So, cardinality of A intersection B is 3. Okay? So, I'll repeat ha. When we say intersection, yes, just get the common element. Kung ano yung meron doon sa A na meron din sa B. Okay? Next. Okay, complement. Complement of a set. Sorry, hindi ko na-edit to, so wala to dapat. Erase natin to. Wala yan. Complement of a set. Ang complement of a set A is A tapos yung ito ang symbol ng complement. Ayan. That is complement of A pag binasa. Okay? Tandaan ha, that is the symbol of complement. Is the set of elements that are not in set A but in the universal set. Ano yun? Example ulit. Same example gagamitin natin ha. Number 1. What are the elements in A complement? Ayun, andun yung symbol A complement. Ibig sabihin, kopihin natin yung elements ng A. Ito, 2, 4, 6, 11, 14, 20. Then, titingnan natin yung box. Ibig sabihin, yung universal set, ito yun. Ano yung mga hindi nakasulat sa A? So, si 5, si 7, si 23, si 21. Yun ang complement of a set. In case may number din dito, halimbawa may number dyan na, let's say, 1. Halimbawa, sorry. Let's say, for example, may number 1 dito. Ay, ang hirap magsulat sa mouse. 3 na lang. Oh. Okay, let's say, for example, meron tayong 1 dito. Here, 1. Ayan, ganyan na lang, 1. Kasali ba siya dito dapat? For example, may 1 dito sa labas ng circle A. Yes, kasi as long as nasa loob siya ng universal set, wherein ang universal set ay si rectangle. Okay? Ulitin ko ha. When we say complement of a set, kung A ang tinutukoy, A ang titingnan mo. A. Sulat mo lahat ng elements ng A. So, anong mga nawawala sa A na nakasulat dito sa loob ng box or sa universal? That is 5, 7, 21, and 23. In case may nakasulat dito sa labas ng 2 circles, isulat pa rin natin siya sa complement. Okay? Next, number 2. Hindi ko na ito na-edit. Number 2. What are the elements in complement of B or B complement? Ayun yung symbol, ha? This is the symbol for B complement. Again, write natin muna yung elements ni B. This one. Ayan yung elements ni B. Then, tingnan natin yung box, yung universal set. Ano yung mga nawawala dyan na nakasulat sa loob ng box? So, it's 2, 6, and 11. At ganun din, kung may nakasulat halimbawa dito na number, kasali din siya dito sa sagot. Okay? Yun yung complement. Laging tatandaan, when we say complement, not in the set, but it is in the universal set. Hindi nakasulat doon sa set na makikita sa universal. Yun yung nawawala. Okay? Ulitin ka ha, nawawala. Lista mo yung mga elements niya, then hahanapin mo, sino yung mga nawawala dito na nasa loob ng box? Yun yung complement. Ganun din dito. Lista mo to, sino yung mga nawawala dyan na nasa loob ng universal? Ito, box. Yun na yung sagot niya. Okay? Next slide, the last topic, difference of two sets. When we say difference of two sets, minus. A minus B. Paano yun? A minus B. Same example pa rin tayo. Halimbawa, number 1. Find A minus B. Solution, A. Ilista ko lahat. All the elements of A. Minus. Ito yung minus. B. All the elements of B. Ngayon, para makuha mo yung sagot ng A minus B, remove all the elements of A na nandun sa B. Tatanggalin mo lahat ng elements ng A na makikita mo sa B, which is 4. Tama? So, tanggalin natin yung 4. Why? Kasi nandun siya sa B. What else? 14. Sorry. 14. Nandun din siya sa B. So, tatanggalin natin yung 14. What else? 20. May 20 dito. Tatanggalin natin din sa B. Meron ding 20 sa B. So, remove din natin. Ngayon, asan na yung sagot? Ano yung mga numbers or elements na natira kay A? We have 2, 6, and 11. So, the answer of A minus B is equal to 2, 6, and 11. Okay? Next, find B minus A. Answer or solution. B. All the elements of B, write them all. Minus A, write all the elements of A. Then, from B, hanapin mo yung nandun sa A, 4. So, remove natin si 4 because 4 ay element din ni A. At else, we have 14. 14, tanggal. 20, cancel, cancel. Then next, ano naman yung natira kay B? 5, 7, 21, and 23. So, yun na yung answer natin sa B minus A. Take note ha, ang kukunin mo kapag difference, kung sino yung natira dito, yung nauna. Like in number 1, find A minus B. So, A yung nasa taas. So, siya yung kukunin mong sagot dun sa mga natira. Ganun din dito sa B. Siya yung nasa taas. So, dun ka kukuha ng answer. Okay? Malinaw? I hope malinaw yung discussion. So, it's your turn. Open your module, answer page, learning task, page 8 in your notebook only. And letter C, this one, nasa picture, ito, sasagutan nyo to sa one whole or bond paper. Okay? So, I hope you learn something from this video. So, expect more video tutorials to guide you answering your module. Okay? Goodbye and God bless.